Hello and welcome, and in this video I will be talking about stories on your Facebook business page and how to get started with this. It's a quite recent feature. You probably are familiar already with Facebook stories on your personal profile. If you use Instagram or Snapchat, then you know what I'm talking about, and you probably even know how to use stories. But for everyone else who is not familiar or not familiar how to use stories on Facebook business page, then this video is for you. My name is Inga Deksne, and you can find me on Facebook as Inga Deksne Coaching and Mentoring. Before we go with our video, I would like to explore 100 Magical Creators. It's a membership group which can offer you social media and business strategy on demand. Every week we have calls and interactive workshops, meetings with expert guests, and Facebook live parties, YouTube growth channels, everything that you need to grow your business. And you can try it for just £1. So follow this link and check it out. So let's go with today's topic. And what are stories? So stories are photo and video collections that can be viewed up to 2 times and disappear after 24 hours. And you can create just a snippet. It can be a video, 15 seconds, or it can be a photo, or you can upload one by one, and it will create the story. So this collection of short videos creates a storyline, and you won't be able to do it on desktop. You need to go to your phone application, and there you can create a story. And this is, you will notice next to your profile picture of your page, or you will see add a story, and this is how you start your story. So you need to click in either of places, and then it will give you an option. So how to create a story on the go. First, you can choose whether camera is facing you or away from you. In this case, it's camera away from me. And then you can choose either boomerang mode, when the picture is spinning, or normal, or text. So you just can create a text, let's say a lovely quote. If you want to take a photo, you just press on the circle. If you want to take a video, you press and hold on this circle. So this is how you create stories on the go. If you want to create the stories from your collection of videos or photos, you choose that icon, and it will take you to your camera roll, and you choose whatever picture you want. So I've chosen one, and then it gives you an option to put a text, and you can choose fonts, and you can choose colors of your fonts. And then, so if you wanted your writing stand out, you click on that icon on top, and it will allow you to choose a background color for your writing, and then it stands out. So also what you can choose effects, and then just press those buttons and you will see what options you can have. So after you've done and you press on next, it gives you an opportunity either just to add to your page story, and it will be visible only for 24 hours, or you post as your page, so it shows up as a post. So depending on if it's just a quote, you can share it as a post too, because it will make sense. If it is a part of your longer story, then I wouldn't recommend you to put it as a separate post. Like this one I chose, it's a separate post, and you just need to make sure that you tick this circle as well. And in order to post, you click on the airplane, and this is where it show up on your story. So on your Facebook page, and it's visible both from desktop or from mobile phones. So this is where your stories will be shown, and I would recommend that you try this opportunity because Facebook introduced it quite recently, specifically for Facebook pages, and it will give you this opportunity to make more visible to more people, because they want you to use all new features that Facebook introduces. So hope it was useful for you. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, post them below and I will be happy to answer. It was Inga. Join me on my Facebook page, Inga Deksne, Coaching and Mentoring. Thank you.